In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal board in monday.com. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, so you can set up your personal board quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. You'll see various options, but for today's purpose, we'll focus on creating a new board. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice a plus sign. This button is your gateway to adding new elements, such as boards, to your monday.com workspace. Go ahead and click on that plus sign, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu featuring various options. From this drop-down, select Board. This choice is crucial because it sets the foundation for your personal board, where you'll organize tasks, manage projects, or whatever you need to tailor to your personal workflow. After clicking on Board, a new interface will open, asking how you want to start your board. Here, you have two main options. You can create a board from scratch, or you can use one of the pre-designed templates. For this tutorial, let's make things easier by using a template. So, click on Start with Template. This selection will lead you to a library of different templates, each designed to cater to a specific need or workflow. Once you're in the template library, look for the Single Project template. Why this particular template? Well, it's straightforward and perfect for organizing tasks related to a single project you might be working on, ideal for personal endeavors. Click on Single Project, and you'll see a brief preview outlining what this template offers. Convinced that this template fits your needs? Then click on Use Template. This action will add the chosen template to your workspace, giving you a structured format to start with. Now you can begin customizing the board to match your personal workflow preferences. You might want to rename the board to something more descriptive or personal. Simply click on the existing board name in the top section and type in your chosen name. From here, you can add tasks, set deadlines, and organize columns as needed. Remember, the flexibility of monday.com allows you to tailor the board exactly to how you want to visualize and manage your projects. And there you have it. You've successfully created a personal board in monday.com. Feel free to explore the various functionalities that your new board offers, such as automations or integrations, which can further streamline your productivity. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to get creative and make the most out of your personal board. Happy organizing!